Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're watching again, welcome back. Thank you everybody who has subscribed. My name is Jules. My pronouns are he, him. I am a professional food photographer and stylist, as well as a cookbook author and recipe developer. Today I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of my latest order from Stickii Club. And I cannot remember everything that I purchased. I do remember that I purchased the advent calendar, but let's see what else is in this box. Probably should use something a little bit more elegant than scissors to do this. But, I mean, this is just how I roll in my kitchen. And okay, oh. Pull this all out and see what is in here. First, it says, it's a little card. It's very pretty. It says creativity that comes to you. It's from the Stickii team. And it says, thank you for your order. We'd love to see what you create. Use Stickii Club or tag us, or use the hashtag Stickii Club or tag us at Stickii Club on Instagram and Facebook. I mean, it's been a while. I used to, are you going to focus? Woo. Nope, it wants to focus down here. I used to regularly subscribe to their sticky packs, and now I've started again. So this is a new thing that was not, I've never received before with my orders. So this first thing right here, I like that it comes in this cover. I will be using this bag again. I will find some purpose for it either in my photography studio or when I'm planning. Put this aside for now. What this is a sticker holder. When you get the Stickii packs, they come in A5 size sticker holder sheets. If you watch my live plan with me on Saturdays beginning at 1 p.m. Pacific, 9 p.m. GMT, you'll see me use those sticky packs. These covers are different than the ones that used to be for the folios for the stickers, but I like them. I like that the snap. The old version of these had a pocket down here and down here, which I use often. I'm going to miss those, but it does have this pocket here. The old ones that I used to get also came with a piece of vellum in between there, so you could create your own dashboard. But yeah, this will work. I had to get more because I run out. You can get them in different colors depending on your own brand. I used to subscribe to all three. Sorry about that. My camera bag just knocked over. I used to subscribe to all three packs, the Pop, the Cute, and the Antique. And this year, I've just decided, or the end of this year, going into next year, I've just decided to use or do Antique. And this is the folio for the Antique collections. Put that there. And now this is the Advent Stickii collection. I didn't buy one last year, but I decided to buy one this year. And again, these come in 3 different styles, flavors, whatever your preference is. Antique, Pop, and Cute. I got the Antique. The cover is very nice. If you can see, it has some decorating detail on it. I love these envelopes. They can be reused afterwards. Like this whole, they've designed this really, really well. There are 20, how many days in this? 25 days. There's one sticker sheet per day. Let's just look at all the envelopes. I mean, I really wish I could just like pull these out without hurting them and stick them inside of my journals, because I love sticking envelopes to store things on specific days if I want to pack a day with extra pieces of paper. I really like the circles on this. I'm trying to see if I can, oh, you can see it like that. This is the third day. I like this one. I'm not a fan of pink, but I do like the salmon when it starts to go into the mauve. This one's really nice. This is like one of my brand colors. Blue flowers. Day 7. Day 8. Oh, I like these. These are like storks or geese or something. Day 9. Swans, maybe. We're back to the scallops. Some waves for 11. I like the little bamboo on the side here. There's some script here. I think it might be Japanese. Some more different types of scalloping for 13. It's geometric. 14, 15, 16. More scalloping. 17, 18. I like these leaves. 19, 20. This is very reminiscent of Japanese art. I really like 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. This has some Japanese stamp on here, Japanese script stamp. I wish I read Japanese so I could read it, but this is Christmas Day. I'm going to maybe cheat and see what's in day 1. Oh, this is pretty. StickyClub.com if you want to get your own. But yeah, let's see if... Yeah, that's really pretty. Okay, I'm going to cheat. It's 1 sticky sheet per day. And I can't remember the price. I think it's like, I don't know, $25, $30 American. Okay, I'm going to do one more. Number 2. Oh, this is cute. I could use these. I order from, there's a farm, online farmers market is basically how they sell it. It's called the Co-op. I order my eggs and vegetables and stuff from there every week, and I could use these stickers to signify the deadline for ordering for the week, or maybe even to signify the delivery day. Okay, one more. Let's close this up. I don't want to, I actually want to use, I know a lot of people, when they get these advent calendars, they unbox the whole thing live. But I bought this to give myself a treat during the month of December. Just give myself a little present every single day after a really hard year. Oh, I like this too. I can see all sorts of ways that I can use these in my Jabun techos that are a mix of personal and work. Let me read some of these. This one says, oh, these are like all medical herbs. So I could even use these to signify when I have a medical appointment. I mean, they're a little bit too big for the weekly spread and the Jabun Techo, but they will work great in my daily spreads. Let's see if we can close this up. without too much trouble. It's a little bit persnickety, but if you're careful, you can do it. Yeah, so, I mean, this is, oh, there's even, you can see a little bit of um, embossing. There we go. Focus. In inside cover. You see those? There we go. Yeah. Same with the back cover. There we go. StickyClub.com. Go and get yours before December arrives. But even if December arrives, then you have a lot of days to open up. And that is this video. Just nice, short, and sweet. If you liked what you saw, if you want to plan with me live every single Saturday, we basically just sit down with our planners, whatever system that we choose to use, and we sit and have a live chat. And I will talk about my planning process, and hopefully you might be able to learn something new to apply to the way that you plan. And I'm hoping that via the chat, I'll learn something new from all of you all. So subscribe, like. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.